Hi, this is joani.pemberton. I'm your Las Vegas Realtor, and we are at the Arden, which is a Pardee development, and it's in Henderson. It's not actually in Inspirada, but it's right outside of Inspirada. And see, we are going to preview this plan 4C, and it's 2,735 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a 2-car garage. So we are now, we're at the front of the house, and over here is a 2-car garage. And we have brick pavers in the driveway, as well as brick pavers in the walkway. And we're gonna walk into this little sitting area, but I just wanted to show you the exterior of the house. And there's the entrance to the backyard. So again, the square footage is 2,735 square feet, and the base price of this home is $420,000. So that's a good price. First, we have the nice large door with the opaque windows. So we come on in to this lovely seating area. And it's kind of off of the main living area, so it's private. It could be called a sitting room, if you will, but it might be someone's office because it's separated. Nice sized room. We're at the front of the house. So the downstairs has this interesting 20 by 20 tile, and it's kind of an interesting design. It has like a little square. It's just a design element that, and it's porcelain tile. This is kind of interesting, this nice big hallway or entryway. And the first room, besides the sitting room that we're going to see, is the half bath. Half bath again is in the front of the house. And we just have an undermounted sink and a quartz countertop. And it needs some finishing touches. They did some nice shades in here that are kind of room cooling, if you will. So right here we have a closet with this under the stairway storage. Moving on to the left side, we have the modern style looking handrails for the stairway, which are quite nice. It's an upgrade, but it's pretty. And as you can see, the dining room, the family room, and the kitchen are all in one big room, and it's pretty large, pretty nice size. So in the kitchen, this kitchen is really nice, long, and we have this island here that is 5 by 15. It's beautiful. It's quartz. It has an undermounted sink, and a stainless steel undermounted sink. And we have GE Cafe appliances throughout. So in the island, we have the GE Cafe dishwasher. And to your right, we have this nice quartz countertop that goes, the backsplash goes up the wall, which I love. And it has this nice, pretty espresso colored cabinetry with the nice modern looking handles for hardware. We have the nice microwave oven, convection oven that is also GE Cafe, stainless steel. And this range has a double oven. So there's an oven down here, an oven here, and this is a gas range, nice cooktop, big burners. There are 6 burners. And moving along, we have the continuous quartz countertop and backsplash, and it's going to be over here as well on the other side of the refrigerator. But the refrigerator, again, is GE Cafe. And I think that that's a package with Pardee. You can get GE Cafe appliances. The freezer is down here. And like I said, on the other side of the refrigerator, we have this little, it's kind of a coffee area. Again, it has the same countertop and backsplash. Lovely. Everything matches. I love that. It's all continuous. But this island is pretty breathtaking if you can get it from this shot too. The island is huge, and they have 6 chairs that it accommodates, which is really pretty nice. And I love these modern looking chairs. Aren't they pretty? Simple, well hidden, and easy. We can't go into the backyard, but the backyard has a covered patio, and this particular model illustrates a outdoor kitchen and an outdoor fireplace. And again, we have these 20 by 20 tiles throughout the whole downstairs. So the family room is somewhat offset, and it's a very nice sized room, nice lighting. I love these shades. They're see-through but shaded. And actually, this wallpaper over here is, it's part of the model. So we have the clear story windows at the top. The clear story windows allow you to have light come in, but you can't see out of them and no one can see in. And so actually this dining room is a very nice, large space area. And all downstairs we all have recessed lighting throughout. And next, this is where the garage is, but we're unable to go into the garage, it's locked. So next we're going to go upstairs. So upstairs, it's in the front of the house. We have this lovely, large family room upstairs, or game room. Nice size, nice natural light. Then we're going to go through the laundry room to the master closet. I'm going to take you this way just because it has access. I'm just showing the access. So we have a nice little laundry room. And moving on into the laundry room has 12 by 24 tile. It's the same tone and color as downstairs tile. And we have the nice, large, spacious master closet that again has access from when you first come upstairs, you go through the laundry room, and then you go to the master closet, and it's going to take us into the master bath and master bedroom. So next, this is the master bathroom. This master bathroom it has a shower only. It has very nice, big 20 by 40 tile. Same tone again in color, but just a different texture and different tile. We have double mounted sink or under mounted sinks, dual sinks. Water closets to the right. And then we have this glass enclosure shower, and it has a few shower heads, and it has a nice same quartz bench as it does the quartz countertop. It has this interesting convex element. In some of it, not all of it. So it's just a little design situation going on with the tile, just to give it some texture. We have about 4-inch baseboards throughout this home. And again, this house, I said the base price is $420,000. That's really on the lower end of the price range. So now we're again at the back of the house. This is the master bedroom. It has nice natural light. So the Arden is a new development, and there's just really a lot of construction going on. So that's our view at the moment. Nice little lighting element that they have here. Moving along to the very end of the hallway, when we first come up the stairs, is going to be a secondary bedroom. And my guess is this is about 12 by 12. It has a wall closet. It has a nice window that gives natural light. And then when we come out of that bedroom to the left, we have a secondary bedroom number 2. So there's 3 bedrooms in this house. This is about 13 by 13. We're in the front of the house. It has a lot of nice natural light. Again, all of the shades match throughout. So I love that when they have everything that is continuous. Just looks so much better. So moving along, this is a cute little room. This is the full bath to accommodate the 2 bedrooms that we just saw upstairs. We have the 12 by 24 tile that matches the same tile in the laundry room. We have a full bath. We have 2 under-mounted sinks with a quartz countertop, 2. And it has this nice glass backsplash. So this concludes our tour of this Plan 4C. Again, it is 2,735 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, a nice loft. It has a little, I'm going to call it a warming room, a sitting area when you first come in the home. It has a 2-car garage. The base price of this home is $420,000. Of course, you're going to want to put some upgrades in it, but that's a good start. So if you have any interest in this home, you can contact me. All my information is below, and feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you.